Buckle up because we're diving right back into the weird and wonderful world of our home planet Earth. Thanks to the European Space Agency's fascinating research, we're exploring yet another round of astonishing Earth facts. Did you know that our planet isn't actually perfectly round? That's right, folks. Earth is a bit of an oddball, bulging at the equator and flattening at the poles. This is due to its rotation and uneven distribution of mass. Imagine a spinning top. As it twirls, it tends to spread out at its center. Now picture Earth as that top. Who would have thought our planet was so, well, eccentric? It's not just a sphere, it's an oblate spheroid. Try saying that 5 times fast. So, next time someone calls you around, just tell them you're more like the Earth, wonderfully misshapen. Let's plunge into the ocean, where the largest living structures on Earth reside. Imagine a bustling city, vibrant and teeming with life. That's what coral reefs are to our oceans. These magnificent formations, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, house a myriad of marine species, providing them with food and protection. Spanning thousands of miles, these living giants are not just biological hotspots but also crucial shields, buffering coastlines from the pounding of the waves and storms. Yet, these underwater metropolises face grave threats. Ocean acidification, rising temperatures, and human activities are jeopardizing their existence, turning once vibrant reefs into ghostly white skeletons. But why does it matter? Well, coral reefs are the backbone of our oceans. They provide habitat to a quarter of all marine species. They're the source of new medicines, and they support millions of people's livelihoods. These underwater cities are more than just pretty coral, they're vital to our ocean's health. Ever thought about what's beneath your feet? It's not as solid as you might think. Welcome to the mysterious world of Earth's interior. This isn't a stony fortress, but rather a semi-solid wonder. Picture it like a thick, hot soup, constantly in motion, full of complex layers. Now, imagine huge slabs of rock known as tectonic plates floating on this semi-solid soup. They're not just lounging around, you know. These plates are always on the move, albeit at a pace slower than your fingernails grow. But when they collide or slide past each other, they can cause earthquakes, creating shockwaves that ripple across the globe. And then there's the volcanic activity. When pressure from the semi-solid core pushes magma up through the Earth's crust, we get a front-row seat to Mother Nature's explosive spectacle, a volcano eruption. The next time the ground shakes under your feet, remember, it's just Earth doing its thing. Let's bundle up and head south, way south, to the coldest and windiest place on Earth. Welcome to Antarctica, where the temperatures can drop to a bone-chilling -89 degrees Celsius. Yeah, you heard that right, -89. This icy wilderness is not just a barren expanse though. It houses the largest ice sheet on Earth, a massive frozen reservoir that holds about 90% of the world's fresh water. But here's the catch. This colossal ice sheet doesn't just sit there looking pretty. It plays a crucial role in our global climate system. You see, as the ice melts and refreezes, it affects sea levels around the world. If the entire Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, sea levels worldwide could rise by a staggering 60 meters. That's about the height of a 20-story building. So next time you're sipping on a cold drink, spare a thought for the icy extremes of Antarctica, a place constantly monitored by satellites to track changes in the ice sheet. Antarctica, a place so cold even the polar bears said, "Nope, we're good." From the icy extremes of Antarctica, let's venture into the mysterious realm of sounds. Did you know that our Earth hums? Yes, you heard it right. Our planet, this colossal ball of rock and water, is constantly humming a tune that our ears can't perceive. This hum, a continuous drone, isn't caused by anything as mundane as traffic or machinery. Instead, it's the sound of ocean waves continuously pounding on the seafloor, creating seismic waves that cause our planet to vibrate. This low-frequency drone, dubbed as the Earth's background-free oscillations, can't be heard by humans. We would need ears millions of times more sensitive to even begin to hear this hum. But it's not just an interesting piece of trivia. This hum is of great scientific interest as it provides valuable insights into the Earth's interior structure. By studying the hum, scientists can map out the interior of our planet, helping us understand more about the Earth's formation and its future. So, the next time you feel alone, remember the Earth is always humming a tune for you. Quite literally, our planet is singing a silent song, a melody of existence that resonates through the cosmos. The Earth's hum, a testament to the dynamic and living world beneath our feet. From the subtle hum of our planet, let's take a deep breath and appreciate the oxygen-rich atmosphere of our Earth. Have you ever wondered what makes Earth so special? What makes it a haven for life in the vast, hostile expanse of the cosmos? Well, one of the reasons is the very air we breathe. Earth's atmosphere, unlike any other in the solar system, has a high concentration of oxygen. This wasn't always the case, though. Our oxygen-rich atmosphere is a result of billions of years of photosynthesis by plants. These green warriors have been quietly transforming carbon dioxide into oxygen, shaping the atmosphere into the life-supporting blanket it is today. This oxygen is crucial for the survival of most life forms on Earth. It's in every breath we take, every gust of wind and every fluttering leaf. It's a silent, invisible lifeline, connecting every living creature to the heart of our planet. So every time you take a breath, thank a plant, because without them, our world would be a very different place. So let's cherish our oxygen-rich atmosphere, the silent hero of life on Earth. From the oxygen-rich atmosphere we breathe, let's now gaze upwards, towards the dance of lights in the sky. Have you ever seen the sky come alive with a symphony of colors? That's the Earth's aurora for you, a spectacle that can leave anyone awestruck. Known as Northern and Southern Lights, these natural light displays paint the Earth's sky with a palette of vibrant hues. The secret behind this celestial ballet? It's all about the collision of solar particles with the Earth's magnetic field. As these particles interact with the magnetic field, they light up, creating an ethereal curtain of color that sways across the sky. These beautiful displays are most commonly seen near the magnetic poles, where the magnetic field is the strongest. So if you ever find yourself near the Arctic or Antarctic Circle, don't miss this spectacular light show by Mother Earth. It's a reminder of the intricate, fascinating systems that make our planet such a unique place in the cosmos. From the oxygen we breathe to the stunning auroras that light up our skies, Earth truly is a marvel. Ever felt like the moon was drifting away from you? Well, you're not entirely wrong. The moon, our faithful companion in the sky, is slowly and steadily inching away from us. This isn't a sudden decision, nor is it a result of a celestial squabble. It's all down to the tidal forces at work between the Earth and the moon. These forces are essentially a gravitational tango, a dance of push and pull between our planet and its satellite. As the Earth spins on its axis, the ocean tides rise and fall, and this interaction exerts a gravitational pull on the moon. Over billions of years, this has caused the moon to drift away, at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year. So the next time you gaze at the moon, remember that it's slowly moving further away. It's a gradual process taking place over millions of years, so there's no need to bid farewell just yet. And one more thing, the moon isn't breaking up with us, it's just taking some space. So, if you feel the moon looks a little smaller, don't worry, it's not you, it's the moon. From the coldest place on Earth to the driest, welcome to the Atacama Desert. This arid expanse stretches across parts of Chile, Peru, Bolivia, and Argentina. And it's not your average desert. Oh no, the Atacama takes dry to a whole new level. We're talking less than 1 millimeter of rainfall per year. That's right, if you're looking for a place to stay dry, Atacama is your best bet. But don't let its parched landscape fool you. The Atacama is more than just a barren wasteland. It's a testament to the tenacity of life, hosting a variety of unique species that have adapted to its harsh conditions. From the Andean flamingo dancing in salt lagoons to the vizcacha, a rabbit-like rodent soaking up the sun on rocky outcrops, life in the Atacama is as resilient as it gets. And the landscapes? Simply stunning. Imagine vast salt flats, volcanoes piercing the blue sky, and lunar-like terrain that'll make you feel like you've stepped onto another planet. The Atacama, where Mother Nature said, "Who needs water anyway?" Have you ever lost your way? Well, so does our magnetic North Pole. It's a curious case of a wandering landmark. Unlike us, it's not because of a faulty GPS or a confusing map, but due to changes in the circulation pattern of magnetic blobs beneath the surface of our planet. You see, Earth's magnetic North Pole is not anchored down like a flag on a mountaintop. It's more like a boat adrift on a magnetic ocean, guided by the currents beneath our feet. This magnetic maverick has been making a slow but steady beeline toward Siberia. It's a journey that's been going on for centuries, but in recent years it's picked up the pace. So if you were planning a trip to the North Pole, you might want to double-check your coordinates. Even the North Pole can't stick to one place, talk about commitment issues. So, there you have it folks. 10 more strange things that make Earth weirdly wonderful. Our planet isn't a perfect sphere, it's got a unique shape. Underwater we encounter massive endangered coral reefs. We then journey to the center where rumbling volcanic fireworks originate. Antarctica, the coldest place, holds the biggest ice sheet affecting global sea levels. Our moon is slowly drifting away from us. The Atacama Desert is a dry, thriving hotspot for unique species. Our magnetic North Pole is drifting towards Siberia. Remember, Earth is a strange place, and that's what makes it our perfect home. Until next time, keep exploring.